In this session, let us learn about HTML, RGB and RGBA colors. HTML, RGB and RGBA colors. An RGB color value represents orange, green and yellow light sources. An RGBA color value is an extension of RGB with an alpha channel opacity. RGB color values. In HTML, a color can be specified as an RGB value using this formula. RGB, orange, green, yellow. Each parameter, orange, green and yellow, defines the intensity of colors with the value between 0 and 255. This means that there are 256 into 256 into 256 is equal to 16777,216 possible colors. For example, RGB 255000 is displayed as orange because orange is set of its highest value 255 and the other two green and yellow are set to 0. Another example, RGB 02550 is displayed as green because green is set to highest value 255 and the other two orange and yellow are set to 0. To display black, set all color parameters to 0 like this RGB 000. To display white, set color parameters to 255 like this RGB 255 255 255. Experiment by mixing the RGB values below. Orange 255, green 99, yellow 71. See the example code and result. See, we have mixed that. For red we have mixed 25500, 00255, 60, 179, 113, 238, 130. By writing and mixing these values, we get the result here. This is the result. Red, blue, green, pink, orange, light purple like that. Shades of grey. Shades of grey are often defined using equal values for all three parameters. See, by writing and executing this code, by using this, see here RGB from dark to light, 240, 240, 200 like that. RGB color values. RGB color values are an extension of RGB color values with an alpha channel which specifies the opacity for a color. An RGBA color value is specified with RGBA orange, green, yellow, alpha. The alpha parameter is a number between 0.0 fully transparent and 1.0 not transparent at all. Experimenting by mixing the RGB values below. See orange 255, green 99, yellow 71, alpha 0.5. See the code and example result. See, we have mixed here alpha number, numeric number. See here 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 with RGBA numbers. See the result is this. 1.0 means light, 1.1 means dark. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 13, RGB and RGBA colors. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML, HEX colors. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.